In general, three-phase induction motor is used in traction application. Therefore, this presentation mainly focuses on construction and working principle of three-phase induction motor. A three-phase induction motor consists of stator and rotor. In stator yoke, stator conductor, and field windings are present. Uh, the armature conductors are present in the rotor. The end rings and rotor core made up of iron are present in the rotors. Okay. Three-phase induction motor consists of stationary stator and or revolving rotor. There are two types of rotors are available. One is wound rotor and squirrel cage rotor. Slip rings and brushes are present in wound rotor. Bars and end rings are present in squirrel cage rotor, as shown in figure below. The rotor is separated from the stator by small air gap. Balanced three-phase voltage is supplied to the balanced three-phase winding of the stator. The current in the stator winding produces a rotating magnetic field in the air gap, the magnitude of which remains constant. The axis of the magnetic field rotates at a synchronous speed. N is equal to 120 F by P. The EMF in both stator and rotor conductor are induced at the same frequency. As the rotor winding is short circuited at the slip rings, the current flows in the rotor winding. The current in the rotor bars interacts with the air gap flux to develop the torque. The direction of the electromagnetic torque in the motor is in the same direction as that of the rotating magnetic field. Due to production of the torque, rotor starts rotating in the same direction. The relative speed of the stator field with respect to rotor conductors, which is known as slip speed, ns minus nr, in the direction of synchronous speed, ns, is called slip of the rotor. Then the slip equation, s is equal to ns minus nr divided by ns, where ns is the synchronous speed of the stator field, nr is the speed of the rotor. Then nr is equal to 1 minus s into ns. In general, the rotor speed is less than the synchronous speed ns. Slip value is 2 to 6 percentage. The slip at full load is 4 to 5 percentage. The rotor bars in the squirrel cage rotor are short circuited via end rings. Similarly, in the wound rotor, the rotor windings are normally short circuited externally via slip rings. In both the cases, as EMF is induced in the rotor conductor, the current flows there as it is short circuited. The frequency of the induced EMF and the current in the rotor is ns minus nr, which is equal to 120 Fr divided by P. Then frequency of the rotor is equal to ns minus nr divided by ns into P divided by 120. Then the rotor frequency is slip into supply frequency. If rotor speed is equal to synchronous speed, the torque will not be produced. Which means if the rotor speed is equal to the rotating magnetic field and also the same direction, the relative velocity is 0, which causes both the induced EMF and current in the rotor to be reduced to 0. Under this condition, torque will not be produced. If rotor speed is less than the synchronous speed, the torque will be produced. So for production of positive motoring torque, the rotor speed must always be lower than the synchronous speed. If rotor speed is 0 at standstill, s is equal to 1. Rotor frequency is equal to supply frequency. The torque slip speed characteristics of three-phase induction motor as shown in figure. Here there are three regions are present: braking region, motoring region, and generating region. Slip is varies from 0 to 1 in motoring region, and less than 0, then the machine act as a generating region. If more than 1, it coming to braking region. In general, motoring region, the speed is varies from 0 to synchronous speed. So more than synchronous speed, it acts as a generator. So less than 0, it is a braking region. Okay. Then the torque will be produced only in motor region. Okay. If the torque is reversed or negative, okay, then the machine act as a generator. The So the benefits of the induction motor are no permanent magnets, no brushes, no commutator rings, no position sensors, and it's a simple and rugged constructions. So it's a self-started motor, so which is used in the electric traction application. Thank you.